Say bye, chicken. Bye, penguin.
Bye, penguin.
Yes, bye, penguin.
You talking to your movie?
Yes, door. Ice.
The ice.
That's ice.
He's on a boat.
Not a boat.
He's on a boat. And an octopus.
Octopus.
Yeah.
It's a boat.
Yeah, he's on the boat. And that's penguin.
Stupid penguin.
Why is he stupid?
Stupid.
He's not stupid.
Yes, yes.
Why?
Because it's like when flapper wings.
Because when he flaps his wings.
Yes.
Oh, because he can't fly.
No.
That makes him stupid.
No.
I thought that's what you said. You're crazy.
It's a boat and make a little boat. And make the boat and make the boat.
Yeah.
Penguin, Aaron. Penguin, Aaron. Penguin, Aaron.
Penguin Island?
Nice. Penguin, Aaron.
You're right, it is a penguin island.
It is big rain. What's the rainfall? What's the rainfall?
The rainfall?
No. It's rainfall. It's rainfall.
Yeah, rainfall.
It's rainfall. That's a rainfall.
A river.
It's rainfall. Octopus, rainfall.
I don't think the octopus lives in a river. I think it's an ocean.
It's ocean.
It is an ocean, huh?
It's an octopus.
An octopus.
That's octopus.
Scary
Ocean.
octopus.
See octopus?
Mm-hmm.
Big rats!
I know, he's scary.
Big rats!
He's gonna get the penguin.
Big rats! The penguin into divers.
Yeah.
Into divers. That's fishes. That's eggs.
He has eggs.
That's hats.
They're gonna hatch.
That's
You're right.
in the back of my hands.
He's gonna bite your hands. No, I don't think so.
Yes, yes.
Why?
Because it's gone. It's Dawn. Favorite toy. Who's she, Dawn? Dawn.
Are you looking for Don? I think he's under the blanket over there. Under the pillow. Under there.
Oh. It's a towers.
Did you find him?
It's two towers.
There you go.